All right, guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new dual 14.1 2.5K laptop extender monitors. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and take a look at them. These are really cool, especially if you work from home or if you're trying to see like different screens at once. This definitely helps. Check it out. As you can see, they come packaged very well. And they also come with a bag carrying case, which is what those straps are for. All right, so let's go ahead and actually open them up. All right. So you get your user manuals right here. It's a cleaning cloth. Like I said, these are 14.1 inch. Open them up and then I'll actually set them up. There it is. So as you can see, these turn all the way around if you need them to. Have them up, have them down. That is really cool. And then we'll put our laptop right here. This works with Apple, this works with Windows, it works with Chrome OS, but let's see what else we got in here. So then they send you a Type-C USB, Type-C to Type-C. Looks like mini HDMI to HDMI. And then Type-C to USB. All right, so let's actually go set it up, see how it works, see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna actually go ahead and set it up. But one thing that I do want to point out is this is where both the displays will go onto here. But I just want to show you how much you can actually adjust this. So each screen can have its own independent way that you'll have it. So you can have this one like standing up, and then this one just aside from the laptop. And they do make this adjustable, so that way it's compatible with most laptops. I thought that was really cool. And then I did like back here, they do have a kickstand. So that way it doesn't put all the pressure onto the laptop screen. And this is also adjustable, so you just push this button and then you can make it stand up like this. So very cool. And like I said, these screens literally just slide right in. There it is, locked into place. Put that there. And then same thing for this one. Locked into place, and now it's ready to go. So let's actually go ahead and put our laptop and try them out. All right, so I got it fully set up. So I do have this one extended, and then this one is hooked up to my iPad. So I want to have different things going on. My computer does only have a USB and a Type-C, but I could get an adapter and have it hooked up as well. But on this one, like I said, I do have an extend, not on duplicate. So let me go ahead and show you. So if we want to have like Chrome up like this, we can just simply drag it over to this screen. Just like that. And then now we're ready to go on there. All right, and then now if I just wanted to come work on this one, we'll go ahead and open up a new window. And we'll just drag this one over. And now we can have 3 different things going on at once. Like I got YouTube on this one, I got slides on this one, and I could just be searching something on this one. So as you can see, this can help boost your productivity, also have a little bit of entertainment, or you could just have all 3 for work purposes. So as you can see, very simple setup. So each side of these displays has 2 Type-Cs and a mini HDMI on each one. And what's cool is, like I said, if I wanted to switch the display this way, if you're looking at charts or anything like that, you can definitely do so just by simply removing this piece and then setting it up that way. So I do like that you can customize these screens so much. The thing that I really like is the quality of which they look. They look really clean and crisp, both displays. And like I said, we can just hit play here. As you can see, 3 different things going on at once. So if you guys are looking for some new laptop screen extenders, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.